Hey guys, welcome back to another video. D-Cycle here, and today we're going to open some mail. Okay, a couple pieces of mail we're going to open here today, and the first comes from Mr. JT Southernfried from Dublin, Virginia. Very cool. Check it out. JT Southernfried's sticker. Very cool. And here's his little spam card. And he got another one here. And he wrote me a letter. He said, D-Cycle, happy holidays, brother. I love that bike of yours. I'm thinking that might be my next one. Keep up the great videos. JT, thank you, man. Go test ride the bike whenever you can, man. I highly recommend it. It's like the total package. It's got everything. So test ride it. Let me know how it is. Thanks for sending me the stuff, brother. Really appreciate it. And make sure you check out JT's YouTube channel page. The link will be up here somewhere. All right. Second mail package comes from it's the Blue Bike and Doyle. Coming all the way from Cedartown, Georgia. The jiggles. The jiggles. Can't wait to see what's in here, man. What? Drop it. Man, there's all sorts of stuff in here. Good job. It's like I just won at the casino, dude. All right. Wow, I just got poker chips out the wazoo. We'll get to them here in a second. Yeah, I got some spam cards here. The Blue Bike and Doyle channel on YouTube. Moto vlogging and touring TWD locations. Moto vlogger. Check that out. Sent me a few of those. Pretty cool. This must be another Moto vlogger sticker. NC Stony Moto Vlogs. Check that out. Very cool. And then what we got here? Marshall 3498 on YouTube. It's not the destination, it's the glory of the ride. This must be another channel I need to check out, guys. Check that one out whenever you get a chance. Very cool. Got a couple of those. And then this looks like a die cut decal. The Blue Bike and Doyle. Very cool. There'll be a spot on that on the locker. We'll put those on in a minute. Oh, we got a letter too. It says, hey D-Cycle, here are some chips to get you off to a good start on your HD chips collection. Digging your install series, ride safe, the Blue Bike and Doyle. Well, thank you very much, Blue Bike and Doyle, and likewise, I do enjoy your videos, especially the dicking around in the shed ones. Those are fun. I love the title too. And this is incredible. All these poker chips. Take a look at these. Pardon my French, but that is an ass load of poker chips. Look at all these. These are amazing. Look at all these. North Carolina. I mean, these are from all over the place. We'll go through them one by one here real quick, but my God, look at all those. Guys, Blue Bike and Doyle, thank you, man. These are amazing. All right, so let's see what we got here. Here's one from Tifton, Georgia. Really cool. Ugh, excuse me. I didn't want to sneeze on the poker chips. Here is one Warhorse Harley-Davidson from Ocala, Florida. I hope I said that right. Pretty cool. Riders Harley-Davidson, Birmingham, Alabama. Freaking awesome. Here we have Cherokee Harley-Davidson, and this one's in North Carolina. Cool. Oxford, Alabama. Mount Cheaha Harley-Davidson. Pretty cool. Chunky River Harley-Davidson. I like that one, man. That's cool. Meriden, Mississippi. That's cool, because check this one out. It's got the Willie G skull. That's freaking awesome. I love that, dude. I love me some Willie G accessories. I don't have any of those planned for the bike this time. I had them planned for my Sportster. If you want to check out my other videos, you can see what I had on my Sportster. But the Willie G stuff's really cool. All right. So right here we've got Bruce Rossmeyer's Daytona Harley-Davidson, Daytona Beach, Florida. Really cool. Orlando Harley-Davidson. This is the one that Blockhead's at all the time. Check that out. That's a really cool chip. They're all really cool, actually. Here's one, Chattanooga, Tennessee. White Lightning Harley-Davidson. Columbus, Fort Benning, Georgia. Chattahoochee, Harley-Davidson. The Opelika, Alabama. Big Swamp, Harley-Davidson. Pretty cool. It's a nice swamp green. T-Town, Harley-Davidson. Tuscaloosa, Alabama. I hope I'm saying these right. I'm not from the South. London, Kentucky. Wildcat, Harley-Davidson. Nice pink. Macon, Georgia, Harley-Davidson. Harley-Davidson of Macon, Georgia. Oldest dealer in Georgia. Check that out. Frazier's, Harley-Davidson. And that would be Buford, Georgia. Oh, this one's cool. Atlanta. Harley-Davidson of Atlanta. That's got a pretty cool graphic on it. In the back, it's got the orange shield with the eagle. 115th anniversary chip, it looks like. That's a keeper, man. That's really cool. I mean, they're all cool, but I mean, come on. Right here, we got Heart of Dixie, Harley-Davidson, Pelham, Alabama. Boom. And then the last one here, Boswell's Country Roads, Harley-Davidson. And this is in Cookeville, Tennessee. You know what? I actually went to Cookeville for work a little over a year ago. And I was actually right down the road from that Harley-Davidson, and I never went. I don't know what was wrong with me. I don't know why I didn't go. Probably because I was there for work and didn't have much time for play. These, this is just amazing. This is a lot of chips to be sending at once, man. I know the post was probably pretty expensive for this, but check that out. That is a great start to collecting Harley-Davidson poker chips. I know a lot of people buy the t-shirts too, but I mean, $28, $29, $30 a pop, that gets too expensive. So you go and you buy these, they cost about $1. And you could say you've been to that Harley-Davidson dealership. Anyway, Blue Bike and Doyle, thank you, man. Thank you very much. I appreciate you sending me all the chips, the stickers, the spam cards, everything. And make sure you check out the Blue Bike and Doyle up here. Go to his channel, check him out. Alright, so since we got 2 new Motovlogger stickers, we're going to go ahead and throw these guys up on the locker. So let's go do that. Alright, so here we go. Mr. JT Southernfried, making your way to the locker. Alright, Mr. The Blue Bike and Doyle, you are next, my friend. Very nice. That's an awesome decal, man. Looks really good next to that turquoise. Sweet. Here's our progress, guys. So while I'm here, I want to take this time to acknowledge IronCross Racing. Go check his channel out up here. He sent me stickers a couple of weeks ago, and I did a live video on it, and for some reason, nobody watched it when it went live, so I just decided to delete it. I want to take this time to say thank you to IronCross Racing for sending me stickers, man. Appreciate it very much. Yours are on the way to you. Alright, remember, if you're a motovlogger and you want a sticker swap for a D-Cycle sticker or two, make sure you get a hold of me on Instagram or in the comments below, and we'll do a sticker swap. I want to fill this thing up with motovlogger stickers, so make sure you get a hold of me. Alright guys, that's all I got for today's video. Thanks for sticking around, and thank you for joining me on today's video mail call. As always, you take it sleazy, and I'll see you in the next video.